Next, we will talk about IP address. It is a unique number that identifies a host connected to an IP network. It is made up of 32 bits or 4 octets. In practice, a notation is used which each octet is translated into decimal and separated with a period. An example of an IP address is 130.5.5.26. An IP address is composed in two parts. One identifies the host and the other identifies the network to which that host belongs. To find these parts, another parameter is used called a network mask. The network mask is a 32-bit binary number that is also represented in a notation that is similar to the IP address. It begins with ones and continues this way until it reaches a number of ones equal to the portion of the IP address that correspond to the network. In the below, you can see the illustration of IP address, that is 130.5.5.26, and the IP address mask 10000, then 10. This portion denotes 130. The next portion denotes 5, 5, and 26. Therefore, in the previous example, we obtain an IP address of 130.5.5.26 with a mask of 255.255.255.0 belonging to this IP network. The previous mask was a 24-bit mask. Since there were 24 ones, once the network where the host is located is known, it is easier to send the IP packets to their destination. Routers store tables of routes or rules on how to find other networks.